How to replace the memory modules. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Peel back the foil mylar that covers the memory module shield. Carefully separate the memory module shield from its retention clips on the system board and remove. Push both arms outward simultaneously to release the memory module to the spring tension position. Grasp the memory module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. The second memory module, if installed, is removed in the same way. Replacement. Align the notch in the memory module with the key in the memory module slot on the system board. At an angle, insert the memory module into its slot on the system board. Press down on the memory module until the arms click into place. The second memory module is replaced in the same manner. Place the memory module shield into its retention clips on the system board and press down along the edges to secure the memory shield to the system board. Smooth over the foil mylar that covers the memory module shield.